Many users back up their WhatsApp data on a computer for added security. Knowing how to restore a WhatsApp backup from the PC is essential for ensuring you never lose important chats, media, or documents. If you are interested, keep watching. Method 1. Restore WhatsApp backup via iTunes. iTunes allows users to back up and restore data from Apple devices to PCs, including WhatsApp data. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and launch iTunes. When your iPhone is detected, you will see a little device icon. Next, hit the little device icon on the top toolbar. Then, select the summary option and click Restore iPhone to restore your iPhone. Method 2. Restore WhatsApp backup via Transfer Tool. With the help of TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer, an excellent WhatsApp data transfer tool, you can complete both the processes of backup and restore using the same tool in one click. First, download and launch TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer on your computer. Then, click the backup icon on the sidebar. Connect your iOS device to your computer. Click the Start Backup button and then wait for the end of this backup process. Tap on the Export button to export your data. When you need to restore the backup that you got before to another iPhone, you should first connect your target iPhone to a PC. Next, go to the Restore feature and find the backup you need. Select the backup and then click the Restore to Device button. After that, you will get the WhatsApp backup data. Okay, that's so much for today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.